Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and I found another Halloween store. It's Halloween City, and it's owned by Party City. I don't remember having these in the past, but alright, I found a new one. So we went and took a look, and just like all the other Halloween stores, they're really pushing the animatronics. And so I thought, let's go ahead and take a look.
Don't come any further. Okay, you went for it.
Ugh. 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 Did he not see it?
Welcome to the show. There are so many tricks, dancing, singing, and murder.
I do absolutely love the animatronics, and if you go on their website, which I'll link down below, they have a lot more that they did not have set up in the store. But as I was filming, you could see in the background some of these. So I did find some stock footage of two of the ones that I thought were hilarious that you need to see. That they had them available to buy, but they didn't have them set up to view. So one of them is a demon, which was pretty cool, and I'll show you him in a minute. And then there's a raccoon, so they're pretty great. This clown that they have down there, he's 12 foot tall, animatronic, very lucid, talks a lot. And then they did have a lot of hocus pocus. So this was a different one that I've seen in the past. Changes colors, cartoon version of them. Super cute. And then they had lots and lots of like lights and tombstones and costumes. So think about like if you were to take like a Party City and elevate a whole store, all Halloween from Party City. Now where we live, it's kind of funny because the Party City is always in this one location, and now they rented out the building right next door to have the Halloween City. So that was kind of fun. And I love these. I thought they're so cool. You push the button. Look how cool he lights up. So cool if you put those like up on your roof. Like if they were just sitting there, that would be really fun. And of course, tons and tons of skeletons. It was weird, their whole store was these gold skeletons, but to each their own. And I thought this necklace was so cool. Check this out. It's like beads that are supposed to look like blood. Like, I thought that was kind of cool. They also had a bunch of just costumes, like the normal goofy, silly Halloween costumes. Plenty of Batman. My husband's a Superman kind of guy, so we were looking for that. Not as much. Tons of Batman, though. I'm Batman. And then as we keep going, you can see there are tons of superheroes. And then there was a whole wall, just like these skeletons of spiders. And some of them were cute, like the little orange guy. He's just cute and happy. Now look at this one up above. It had babies on its back. Ugh! Yuck! and look at his little face. Hi, these are my babies. It almost looks like Chewbacca with spiders all over it. It's kind of weird. But they're really fun. I mean, if you're going to decorate, and price-wise, I would say in some respects, some of it was actually less expensive than I've seen at the other Halloween stores. So, you know, definitely look around. You know, if you're going to do a lot of decorating, you want to make sure that you're going to get the best you can for, you know, your money and that you're spending. They had some fun Stranger Things masks. My kids were all over that. And then they had plenty of fun tattoos, scars, all kinds of stuff. Lots of your dog could be Chucky. I mean, that's not scary, right? Your dog coming at you is Chucky. Tons and tons of fun. Look at these. How cool are these? They're fun, like Rockstar eyes. I think that one's kind of pretty. That'd be fun. But there's a lot of different options that you have. So there were these, and then there were some more down below. Different facial. So if you're going to like do like a Day of the Dead kind of skeleton, that would be really fun to sparkle it up. Plenty of pirate costumes and the angelic angels. I thought these were kind of fun. Beautiful wings, sparkle dresses. Let's see here. Over here they've got some fun wings, some little devil horns, lots of devil stuff. That mask was really thick too. Like it was really heavy. Like it looks like it'd be pretty cool. And then right up over here, there was tons of like cowboy wear and dance wear. So they had a really good selection of items that were very different than I've seen at the other Halloween stores. That cowboy hat right there with like the fringe on it. Oh my gosh, that thing was very heavy. My kids picked it up and they were surprised at actually how heavy it was. I thought this was really pretty, a beautiful Day of the Dead. I mean, this one would almost be pretty, like if you're into that stuff and you like to put that up on your walls, you could actually display that mask or those masks like up on the wall. They're really pretty, like nice fall colors. Really pretty. Again, like I said, just different than what I've seen at the other stores. Over here, let's just take a walk over here. There's tons of makeup, so same as what you've seen at other stores. Over here, let's see, we've got Medusa. To the left, we've got pumpkin carving and spider webs. And then straight ahead, there were Squishables, and then there were some other fun items. And again, they've got you on that gauntlet, which some blingy Halloween mugs. I mean, killing it since 1963. Fun. In the gauntlet, though, there were tons of things like little pumpkins, awards, like if you were going to have a Halloween contest, tattoos, glow sticks, look how cute, the candy corn, a lot of pumpkin buckets, some little cats. So just a lot of different things. Like I said, some of it was very different than what I've seen at the other stores that we've already taken a look at. So it was kind of surprising to me that there was still stuff I hadn't seen yet. I guess we'll go there. Again, it's just Halloween City, and just like everywhere else, they'll returns in exchange for up to 7 days prior to Halloween, as long as it's unopened. So that's different than a lot of the other ones. A lot of the other ones are you buy it and there's no refunds. So definitely take a look if you're buying stuff at any of these Halloween stores, just to make sure if they are going to offer refunds. And then around all these multicolored skeletons, there was like a whole thing of just crazy Halloween socks, which is so fun. Bumblebees, ghosts, some Rocky Horror kind of like bite me sort of socks. Skeletons, there's that gold skeleton again. And then over there to the left, you can see there's a smoking demon. Do you see him? There he is. Now, he wasn't set up anywhere, and so I really wanted to show him to you. And I kind of went looking around again to try and find him, and I couldn't find it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a video that I found from their site that I want you to be able to see what he does, because he's pretty funny. So let's go ahead and watch that.
Let me show you the cozy warmth of the underworld's fiery abyss of eternal suffering! shall see you in your dreams.
And then this is the other one that they didn't have up anywhere, but I found the box and I could not stop laughing when I watched the video. Just watch. It's a raccoon. Watch what he does. Ah! I mean, that would be so amazing to seriously have in your front yard. People always see the ones with the dogs and everything, but I'm like, that's pretty great. Well, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching. Again, visit our website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you subscribe. It costs nothing, and anytime you log on, it'll just remind you if there's a new video. I've also placed 2 more videos for you to take a look at. I do appreciate it. Take care, everybody.